day, folks. Peace and blessings. I'm Zaddle, coming at you with another do-it-yourself old battery reclaim video. In this video, we will be answering the question, can an old marine battery be reactivated for daily use using a common Century Model 87122 Marine Deep Cycle 12-volt battery charger? Stay tuned for some tips and tricks. And please comment, like, and subscribe, as this will allow us to continue to make more great videos for you. Again, peace and blessings.
So here we have an Interstate Deep Cycle Marine RV battery. You know, this battery's been sitting on in the garage for about 2 years or so. As you can see, it has 750 MCA cranking amps or whatever. So the first thing I want to do is we're going to measure the current voltage that is holding. So if you here's the battery tester. As you can see, it's still decent even after sitting on the shelf for years. So let's put a load on it. And then it goes down to about 9 volts. Okay, let's hit it again. Bam. All right, well, as we can see right here, this one isn't in too bad of a condition. First thing I want to do is put it on the old school and see if we can get it to activate. You get me? See if this charger will actively activate this battery. And does that activate thing work? And as you can see, activates. We're gonna leave it on there for 5 minutes, see how that goes. After a 5-minute wake up, I wanna see if that made any difference on the battery. So, what kind of effect it had on it. Now, so you can see, it's at 12 volts, which is good. So I'm gonna hit it with a charge, load. All right, then it goes back to 12. So I'm gonna hit it with another load. Stays in the good. And it goes back to fairly decent. Once this thing goes to like 0, supposedly fully charged. So after I charge this on the wake up charger, put it on this Viking 4 amp high frequency charger. It's showing 14 volts. When I put it on there, it was showing 12.8. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a load on it, test it, and then put it back on the charger. So here we are again. I've taken this taking it off the charger, the Green Goblin. I'm gonna put it on the battery load tester, the manual battery load tester, and then we're gonna give it a test. Right, so at this point you can see that it's showing that it's got a pretty good charge on it, and it's kind of like matching up with what was on that 4 amp tester, which is about above 12 volts. So let's put a load on it. Bam. Oh, that's real good. Oh, it smells good. You know, like these things, these testers, when the battery's hot, the coils inside of it smell hot. So, all right, bam. All right, it still has high cranking amps, as you can see. As you can see, it went down to 12.6. It's charging. Put it back on the charger. I'm gonna let it go overnight, maybe about another 5 or 10 hours, you know, just for grins. And then I'm gonna place it on the light. So 13.4. You can see that on the Viking charger, it matches up with what we were getting on the amp tester. Here's the follow-up on this thing. So here it is, this Interstate. So what I did was I put it on this 4 amp charger, and if you know anything about this Viking 4 amp, it's like a high frequency battery charger retainer. So what I did was, after getting it to wake up and rejuvenate it or whatever, once the Interstate battery started taking a charge, I went ahead and put it, you know, on this charger right here for a few days. You get me? Cool. So what I did was, after getting it reactivated on the other charger, I put it on this Viking charger right here. I got this from Harbor Freight for another 20 hours, and now it went green. So peace and blessings. I'm gonna call that a successful charge. The next thing to do possibly is to like put it on a light and see how long it'll keep a light charge. But from what I can tell, from what I'd say on the follow-up, this is successful. This is a successful charge. Good luck in your future endeavors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more great videos.